Hi friends, welcome back to the fifth session of English Basic Grammar. I hope you all do well. Since the previous two sessions, we have been dealing with the concept of phrase and its types. In the last session, we discussed about noun phrase and adjective phrase in detail. So today, we are going to deal with the concept of verb phrase in this session. First of all, let me explain the idea of verb. It is necessary to get into the concept of a verb phrase. A verb, in its simple form, can be defined as a word that shows an action. I emphasize or underline the main point in this definition that a verb is a word that shows an action. Look at the examples given here. The baby sleeps and a man eats a burger. In the first example, the baby sleeps. Sleeps is a verb because it shows the action of the baby. Dear friends, what is action of the baby here? Yes, it is sleeping. So according to our definition, verb is a word that shows an action. Therefore, in this case, sleeps is a verb because this word shows the action of the baby. Take the second example, a man eats a burger. Here, eats is a verb for it shows the action of the man. What is the action of the man? Yes, eating. So here, eats is a verb because this word shows the action of the man. Dear friends, please note that we will discuss the concept of verb and its classifications in the upcoming sessions in detail. Here I have just given only the basic definition of the verb, for it is essential to clear the concept of a verb phrase. So now we move to the concept of a verb phrase. A verb phrase is a group of words consist of the verb of the sentence and any modifiers like adverb. Once again, I tell you that a verb phrase is a group of words, a group of words, and there will be a verb and some other modifiers like an adverb. Perhaps you may be confused of the concept of adverb. Let me explain it first of all. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. In other words, we can say that an adverb tells something about the verb. An adverb tells something about the verb. Its function is similar to the function of adjective. As we discussed in the previous section, an adjective is a word that modifies a noun. So like that, an adverb modifies a verb. Look at the examples given here. He drove slowly and he drove a very fast car. Dear friends, in all these sentences, the underlined words are adverb because they say something about the verb. Take the first example. In the first one, he drove slowly. Here, slowly is an adverb because it speaks about the action. It speaks about the action. That means the verb. That means here verb. It speaks about the verb. And if we ask, how did he drive? And if we ask how did he drive, the answer is he drove slowly. He drove slowly. That means the slowly is a word that speaks something about the action, drove. Or it describes something about the verb drove, so that slowly is the adverb here. Friends, I hope you got the idea of an adverb. We will discuss it later in detail. So here we move back to the idea of verb phrase that we were discussing. So once again, I tell you what I mean by a verb phrase. A verb phrase is a group of words consist of the verb of the sentence and its modifiers like adverb. So look at the example given here. Completely frightened the college students. Here, frightened is a verb and completely is a modifier. Here it is an adverb. In the sense, here is an adverb. So they together, completely frightened, they together form the concept of verb phrase. As the definition, verb phrase is a group of words that consist of the verb of the sentence. So here in this case, frightened is a verb of the sentence and its modifiers. Here there is only one modifier, that is an adverb, that means completely. So they together form the verb phrase. Dear friends, look at the second definition of a verb phrase given here. A verb phrase is a group of words that consist of one or two helping verbs and one main verb. We discussed about the first definition and went through the examples also. So now let's see how the second definition works out. As for the second definition, a verb phrase is a group of verbs that consist of one or two helping verbs and one main verb. It's a group of verbs that consists of one or two helping verbs and the one main verb. Now let's see a set of examples. Take the first one. I gave the matter a great deal of thought. Here there is only one verb, that is the main verb, gave. I hope it is clear to you. There is only one verb, that is the main verb. Gave is the main verb. Second example. I have given the matter a great deal of thought. I have given the matter a great deal of thought. In this case, there are two verbs. Here one is auxiliary verb and other one is the main verb. The first one, have, is the auxiliary verb and given is the main verb. So they together form the verb phrase. Look at the third example. I have been giving the matter a great deal of thought. Here there are three verbs. Out of the three, two are auxiliary verbs and one is main verb. And have and been, they together form auxiliary verb, and the third one, giving, is a main verb. But when they come together, have, been, giving, they are part of the verb phrase. Take the next example. We do drive safely. Here do is auxiliary verb and drive is the main verb. Here do is the auxiliary verb, means a helping verb, and drive is a main verb. So they together form the verb phrase. Remember one thing, do drive safely is a verb phrase actually, because safely is also part of the verb phrase, since it is an adverb, but here we consider only do drive because we are discussing this time in the light of the second definition. Take the next example. We have been doing our best. Here have and being part of auxiliary verbs and doing is main verb, but when they come together, have been doing, they are part of the verb phrase. Take the last example. Sam has had a call for week now. Sam has had a call for a week now. Here has is the auxiliary verb and had is the main verb in this case, so they together form the verb phrase. Dear friends, it's the time to summarize what we learned today. Today we learned about verb phrase and we have gone through two definitions and examples also. According to the first definition, a verb phrase is composed of the verb of the sentence and any modifiers like an adverb. The second example is a group of verbs that consist of one or two helping verbs and one main verb. Dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's session. For the time being, let's call for the day. Thank you so much.